Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. If you have any questions after the call, or more importantly, more specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. So you may wonder, and I would venture to say you have wondered, what separates a top performing freight sales agent from the rest of the pack? Good question. Well, in most cases, it's because they apply a number of successful actions in their daily routine. Here's my list. Again, here's my list of the best actions of top performing freight sales agents. If your goal is to become a member of this group, a highly touted group, then perform as many of these actions as possible. Believe me, when you do that, you will see the success that you are going after and requiring and desiring. 15th point that every successful freight sales agent and top performer does is they prospect continually to keep their pipeline full. One more time, I can't mention how important this is. You're going to hear me say this over and over again in my trainings. And that is, they prospect continually to keep their pipeline full. It's not uncommon for freight sales agents to experience peaks and valleys in their sales process. This is usually a result of failing to prospect for new business on a regular basis. I can't put it more simpler than that. Avoid the highs and lows and schedule time to prospect for new business every day and every week. So number 15 is they prospect continually to keep their pipeline full. Can't express how important that is. To me, that's the most important one of this list here. Do we have any questions about what I just went over today, or more importantly, because of what I went over today, so you can see the training that I provide, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Yes? Then give me a call. I'm Ted Keys. My number is 626-309-9141. Great talking to you today. Take care. God bless. I'll see you all again next week on my Tuesday conference call. Take care. God bless. And goodbye.